teach you how to send individual emails using your Google Spreadsheet. As you can see here, I have opened my Google Spreadsheet. So I want to send a message. Hello, this is a test to J Montero, and hi, congrats to JRL Monteros. Okay, and then if you are going to do this procedure, then you will receive each individual email like this. Okay, so to do that, it is just simple. So we will have to create a Google spreadsheet, and then on the column A, all of the emails will be written here, and in the column B would be all the messages, that individual message that you would like to be inside the body of your email. Okay, and then next to that is you have to copy this code. So let's copy this code because it is needed so that we can send the email. So copy and then go back to sheet 1 and click on the extension. At the extension, you can see the app script. So app script, click that one and it will open a new tab. Okay, so paste. So I have already pasted the code here. Okay, so all you have to change is line number 8 and this line, let num rows equal, and also this line number 17. So for this line number 17, this one will talk about the subject of your email. For example, in this email, I have the subject of this is a test. So I will change this one into test Google Spreadsheet. Google Spreadsheet. And then next is I have to identify what row will the code first read. So in my Google Spreadsheet, so I have the first, the row would be row 2. So therefore I have to write down row 2. And then the last row, or the range of the row, how many row is going to be processed. So if I am going to add another email here, so for example, I'm just going to duplicate my email so that we can see that one. So second email. Okay, so therefore we have how many row? 1, 2, 3. So we need to put here 3. And then click on save project. And after saving, click on run. And so if it requires permission, then you have to allow the permission. So it says here executed started and executed completed. So therefore, we have already sent 3 emails. So let's check on our email. So we have here first, Okay, so we have test Google Spreadsheet, and then hello, this is a test. And the second one is second email. And next is we have another one in another email. So we still have this one. So hi, congrats. So this hi, congrats is from this spreadsheet. Hi, congrats. And for this one, second email is from this message. So you can play around with this and add different formulas on the body. So that's all. Thank you for watching.